pitch. Fixed pitch means that you sing the note by its note name. If you're not sure what an A should sound like, pluck your A string so that the pitch is clear in your mind. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. And continue till you finish the whole song, singing in fixed pitch. Now try playing it with your accompanist or with the metronome. You now have the opportunity to play along with the piano accompaniments. Jane McDermott is going to play the accompaniments, and you can play along with your violin or viola.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done on completing that song. Now you're up to the next challenge. Keep practicing.